Welcome back. Joining us in studio this morning, we have Brooke Powell from Pittsburgh Safe House here to tell us about a ladies' night out coming up in almost exactly 2 weeks.
Yes, 2 weeks from today.
All right. So you've brought a couple of the bags that
Yeah.
kind of gives us a hint of what the theme of the event is.
Yes, so this is our 12th annual Bags to Riches, and it's our first year back since March of 2020, first year back in person, and we host a ladies' night out, and we auction off designer new and gently used bags.
Okay. What are some of the brands that you have for bags?
We, a few that have arrived recently, we've got Tory Burch, Kate Spade, Coach, this Dooney back here. We've got a couple, let's see, more Coach, more Michael Kors, Brighton. We've just got a really large mix for everyone.
Okay, so the bags will be part of both silent and live auction.
Right.
Which is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
What do you, and you get a ticket, you go, what can you expect if you attend the event?
Oh my gosh, a lot of fun. We will have dinner for our attendees, catered in through Chatters in Pittsburgh, and then we'll have beverages to drink, and then after dinner we will have our live and then our silent auction. We'll have raffle items to win. We've got Versace sunglasses, I haven't told anybody yet, but an authentic Louis Vuitton that will be raffled off to win, and then a Chiefs package. So raffle items, door prizes, just a really fun night with your friends. This year's theme is Night at the Oscars, so we are encouraging everyone to dress to the nines.
All right. Roll it out on the red carpet.
Red carpet. That
Okay.
might be there too.
So this is all going to benefit Pittsburgh Safe House. Tell me a
Yes.
little bit about Safe House.
Safe House is a nonprofit located in Pittsburgh, and we provide emergency shelter and advocacy services to victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, and stalking. And we really work with them to help break the cycle of violence and rebuild their lives. And we also have a child exchange and visitation center where we can provide safe visitations to children and their parents. So we kind of do a little bit of everything, but fundraising is a huge part of us being able to provide the best services as possible.
Do you have a goal on fundraising for this specific event?
We haven't really sat down and thought of a goal. I think this being our first year back in person since March of 2020, I think we will be happy with anything, but we will see.
Well, I'm sure people are excited to get out, especially with it being the first back. So it's coming up in 2 Tuesdays on March 21st. On that Tuesday night, what is the time of the event and how do you get tickets?
The doors open at 5:30, so attendees can start walking the red carpet at 5:30. If you're interested in purchasing tickets, they can call 620-231-8692 to purchase your tickets and reserve your table.
All right.
Yeah.
And we'll have that information on the website later this morning as well. Thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be right back.